I've missed birthday celebrations.
Shit.
Like my husband planned a birthday celebration for me, and at the time, the reason why I still was suffering was because I was not managing my
Yeah.
allergies.
Sure.
Yeah.
I knew that I was a sufferer,
Yeah.
but I wasn't avidly taking my meds. Like I knew that about Telfast. I knew that it offers me up to 24-hour relief,
Yeah.
but the management was not there. Meaning that if I'm exposed to an area that has high pollen,
Yeah.
I will be triggered
Yeah.
because I'm not actively managing my allergies.